Hey guys, welcome to Delft Stack, and this is how to remove phone number from TikTok. So guys, I will be showing you where do you remove the phone number from TikTok. So just simply follow the steps that I am going to show you. So to access the removal of the phone number on your TikTok, you can just simply go ahead and open up your TikTok application into your device. Now, over here, just simply go ahead and go to your profile tab. Now, here on your profile tab, guys, you can just simply go ahead and select the three lines on the top right corner of the screen. Now, here you will have a side tab open up, and you can just simply go ahead and go for the settings and the privacy at the bottom of the screen. Now, over here, you should have an option at the very top, account. So you could just simply go ahead and tap on it. Now, over here, guys, you should be able to see account information at the very top. So you could just simply go ahead and tap on it again. Now, over here, guys, you should be able to see the phone number that you have. So you can just simply go ahead and tap on it. And guys, when you tap on it, automatically it will send you a code of your current phone number. And once it sends you a code, just simply provide it. And right after that, you should be able to get prompted to add a new phone number. Or if you don't want to add a new number, you could just simply leave it blank and you could just simply go back and you should be able to remove the phone number. And guys, from here, if you follow these steps, you should be able to access the removal of the phone number. There we go. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.